Hey guys, Andrew Esquivel here, back with another review, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Black & Decker laser level. The specific model number will be listed in the title of this video and in the description. Ultimately, this is a very simple device to use. However, there are multiple components to this device that work together in order to make it functional. We're going to go over those parts. First off, we got the laser, which shoots a straight beam line down whatever surface you have this going on. You could turn it on by the switch in the back, which is powered by two AA batteries, which are included. And you can see we got a straight level line going all the way down. Powering this laser will also power on the bubble level lights. It makes it easier for you to get a good reading. Those bubble level lights are important because when you have it stuck on the wall, you want to level it out. But now, we got some more functions. How do you make it stick on the wall? Well, that's what this is for. The way this works in conjunction with the laser level is very, very simple. You flip this up, and what it does is it releases a nail. This nail gets placed into your drywall. Now the other side of this gets placed on top, or the bottom, of your laser level. So with this up and ready to go, yeah, stick it in wherever you want it. And let's say you don't want a flat 180 degrees. You would use this. Now, obviously we got 360 degrees of rotation if you want to level it out, but then you want to turn it, let's say 90 degrees, you would be like this now, instead of like this, turning it 90 degrees. So that will help you level things out. And you can do any degree in between. These bubble levels are really just there to help you get started. Let's say you're trying to do something like what I was doing, such as installing a new towel rack. Well, unfortunately for me, the mounting hardware that came with this towel rack wasn't that very good, and I tried eyeballing it once or twice and wasn't completely satisfied. So that's why I got this laser level, because I know it's off, and I ultimately want to redo this. I'm going to demonstrate how easy this is going to make this particular task. So really, it's as simple as sticking the nail side into the drywall, leveling out the bubble level. In this case, I'm leveling it out horizontally, and then zeroing out the position. In case you want to change the angle to something else, you would keep the dial in place and you would move the laser level in another direction to get whatever angle you're going for. But since we're going for a flat 180 degree line, we can see this is where the start or the top should be. If we go all the way around, you can see I've gotten it quite a bit off. This would have been a lot handier if I had it earlier and I wouldn't have had so many mistakes. But hey, at least if I try and do this in the future, I'll get it right. But it's really a very simple device, and yes, you're going to poke a hole in the wall, but anyone with a little bit of putty and leftover, paint, that's not going to be a problem. Now, let's talk about moving that dial, because, see, since it's stuck in the wall by a nail, it's in there pretty good. So we can do 45 degrees. We can do a full 90 degrees, which if we want a full straight 90 degrees, we got this other bubble level. Not bad. And this goes all the way up there, and it keeps going. And in real life, it's pretty easy to see, but it tapers off right about here, so you got a few feet. Either way, it's good enough for the average Joe just trying to do a simple job. And yeah, I mean, it works very well. This really would have come in handy. And because it stays in place, you don't need someone to hold the level while you're putting in a bulky anything, really. Whether you're hanging pictures or hanging towel racks. This little thing is quite neat. And I think, for the money, less than 20 bucks for a laser level that works like this, yeah, I'm actually quite impressed. I like it. If you use it a lot, lasers can take a decent amount of electricity. You might get yourself, some rechargeable AA's, and hey, you'd be set. And just in case you're wondering how big of a hole it leaves, it's a pretty tiny hole. Barely even noticeable. Like I said, if you really care all that much, just put a tiny bit of putty and a little bit more paint that you have for your wall and you'll be good.
If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing.